How to stop automatically following other Instagram accounts. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop Instagram from automatically following other accounts. This is a feature that can sometimes happen due to glitches or third-party apps, and I'm here to show you how to fix it with the latest update, so let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have the Instagram app installed and updated to the latest version, and go to your profile. Now once you've done that, scroll through your list of following to see if Instagram has followed any accounts automatically. If you notice accounts that you didn't follow, simply what you can do is unfollow them and just take note of them. One common reason for this automatic following is third-party apps or websites connected to your Instagram profile. Just go to your profile, tap on three horizontal lines and simply go to security and simply find apps and websites that are connected. Simply tap on where you're logged in and see if you detect any unrecognized login. If you see, simply tap on it and click on log out. Revoke access by selecting it and simply tap on removing it. Also, Instagram sometimes suggests accounts to follow based on your activity or interest, which can cause the app to follow accounts automatically. Go to settings and simply go to privacy. And also you can search for suggestion from Instagram. Now if you have that option, simply toggle that option off. If you don't have that option, you are not required to do that. And if you believe your account has been compromised or these unwanted actions keep happening, it's a good idea to change your password. Just go to account center and simply tap on password and security and tap on change password. And there you go, you've successfully stopped Instagram from automatically following other accounts. Now you can enjoy using Instagram without worrying about unwanted